Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the development of a 50 megawatt floating solar plant at the Mona Reservoir. And this project or this system is going to cost US $69 million. So it's a lot of money, but they hope to save on the electricity costs over time and recoup the investment. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Jamaica continues to position itself at the forefront of renewable energy adoption in the Caribbean with the announcement of a landmark project by Derelon Energy, Jamaica Limited. The company is spearheading the development of a 50 megawatt floating solar photovoltaic plant at the Mona Reservoir, a critical water storage facility operated by the National Water Commission. This ambitious US $69 million project represents a significant step forward in Jamaica's energy diversification and climate resilience strategy. Slated to begin installation on January 1, 2026, with an estimated 24-month construction timeline, the floating solar facility will be among the largest of its kind in the region. It is expected to provide 35 megawatts of alternating current to the Jamaica Public Service, the national utility, and 5 megawatts AC directly to the National Water Commission for its operations. While the system is rated for 50 megawatts, its direct current or DC actual output will be influenced by weather patterns and daylight hours. This initiative project has a dual benefit of energy generation and water utility support. Floating solar panels reduce evaporation from the reservoir, enhance panel efficiency due to cooler ambient temperatures over water, and make use of surface area that would otherwise remain underutilized. The arrangement also avoids land use conflicts, a growing issue in urban and pre-urban development areas. Importantly, the project is expected to generate savings of roughly US $2.7 million annually for the NWC, not only through lower electricity costs but also via improved operational capacity and water delivery efficiency. These savings can be redirected to infrastructure upgrades, water conservation efforts, and community service enhancements. Derelon Energy is currently in the pre-installation phase, finalizing financing arrangements and power purchase arrangements with JPS. Once operational, the facility will contribute significantly to Jamaica's goal of generating 50% of its electricity from renewables by 2037, a key benchmark under the country's integrated resource plan. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.